Welcome back to Auto Verdict, your ultimate destination for the world's most luxurious, powerful, and jaw-dropping machines on wheels. Today, we're diving into the world of ultra-premium motorhomes, where luxury meets technology and comfort meets freedom. Get ready, because this is the 2026 Newmar King Aire, a motorhome that redefines what it means to travel in absolute class. The Newmar King Aire has always stood as the crown jewel of the RV world, but the 2026 model pushes the boundaries further than ever before. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving five-star mansion, built for those who demand nothing less than perfection while on the road. From the moment you step inside, it's clear that the King Aire isn't designed for average travelers. It's made for the elite few who believe the journey should be just as indulgent as the destination. On the outside, the 2026 King Aire commands attention with a bold, sculpted design and a presence that screams power and prestige. Its massive frame rides on a Spartan K3 chassis, giving it the strength and stability of a luxury bus. The front fascia features full LED lighting, a redesigned chrome grille, and an aerodynamic body that not only looks stunning, but enhances efficiency on long drives. The paintwork, created through Newmar's signature full-paint masterpiece finish, comes in exclusive color palettes that glisten under any light, each one a work of art on wheels. Step inside, and the experience transforms into something straight out of a luxury penthouse. The interior of the 2026 King Aire is handcrafted with precision and attention to detail that's almost unreal. Real Italian leather seating, heated tile floors, high-gloss hardwood cabinetry, and ambient LED lighting create an atmosphere of pure serenity. The living area feels open and inviting, with smart slide-outs that expand the space into a wide living zone. Every corner is designed to maximize comfort, whether you're lounging, dining, or entertaining guests. At the heart of it all is technology that makes life effortless. The King Aire is equipped with the latest Comfort Drive steering system with passive steering tag axle, offering smooth control no matter the terrain. The cockpit features digital displays, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring the driver experiences as much luxury as the passengers. A centralized touchscreen system controls everything: lighting, climate, shades, and entertainment, all synced to your smartphone for ultimate convenience. Under the hood, it's powered by a monstrous 605 horsepower Cummins X15 diesel engine, paired with an Allison 4000 mAh transmission. That kind of power means effortless cruising even on mountain passes, while the air suspension ensures a silky smooth ride. It's performance and refinement in perfect balance, a rare combination in the RV world. The 2026 King Aire also takes connectivity and comfort to the next level, with features like a built-in Wi-Fi booster, satellite television, high-end sound system, and energy-efficient solar panels. The bedroom feels like a boutique hotel suite, with a king-size bed, high-end mattress, and a massive entertainment screen. The bathroom? Think marble surfaces, a rainfall shower, and heated floors. The kind of luxury that makes you forget you're inside a motorhome. In the end, the 2026 Newmar King Aire isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of taste, success, and the ultimate freedom to explore the world without sacrificing an ounce of comfort. It's not just about reaching your destination, it's about enjoying every mile of the journey in unmatched style. This is the 2026 Newmar King Aire, the king of the road, the home of the future, and the dream machine for those who believe luxury should never stop moving.